Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. Today we bring you an in-depth exploration of a vehicle that has not only transformed the way we navigate busy city streets but has also become an icon in both urban and rural landscapes. The 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw stands as a testament to years of engineering refinement, innovative design, and a relentless commitment to meeting the evolving needs of drivers and passengers alike. As you settle in, imagine the hum of an engine that marries tradition with modern technology, the subtle gleam of freshly designed LED lights that brighten even the darkest of alleys, and the robust frame that promises durability and longevity on roads that are as unpredictable as the weather. This vehicle, which many have relied upon for decades, has now taken a significant leap forward, blending practical features with forward-thinking innovations that ensure every ride is not only a journey but an experience. From the moment you set your eyes on the 2025 model, it is clear that Bajaj has reimagined its classic design while staying true to the essence of what made its predecessors so beloved. The silhouette remains familiar, a nod to its heritage, but closer inspection reveals subtle refinements that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The contours of the body have been smoothed to reduce drag, lending the rickshaw a more aerodynamic profile that translates into improved fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. The front section, once purely utilitarian, now features sleek LED headlights that not only offer superior illumination during nighttime journeys but also reduce power consumption, an innovation that resonates with environmentally conscious drivers. These design tweaks are not merely cosmetic, they represent a thoughtful integration of style and practicality, a balance that is crucial in today's competitive market. Stepping closer to the vehicle, one cannot help but notice the impeccable attention to detail that Bajaj has invested in this model. The robust metal frame has been reinforced to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring that even on the bumpiest roads, the structural integrity remains uncompromised. The use of high-quality polymers for the side panels not only contributes to a lighter overall weight but also provides enhanced resistance against minor scratches and dings that can occur during everyday operations. This thoughtful selection of materials reflects a broader philosophy: durability need not come at the expense of modern design sensibilities. Every curve, every angle, and every line has been carefully considered to deliver a vehicle that is as resilient as it is stylish, a combination that is rare in a segment where functionality has traditionally taken precedence over form. Beyond the exterior, the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw reveals a world of thoughtful innovations when you step inside. The driver's seat, designed for both comfort and ergonomics, offers an elevated level of support that is particularly beneficial during long hours on the road. The seating is plush yet firm, a balance that ensures neither fatigue nor discomfort detracts from the overall driving experience. The instrument cluster, a far cry from the analog dials of yesteryears, now features a digital display that communicates vital information such as speed, fuel level, and maintenance alerts with crystal clarity. This display is strategically placed to be easily visible without distracting the driver, melding modern technology with intuitive design. Passengers, too, are treated to a level of comfort that transforms what was once a mere means of transport into a welcoming space. The seating arrangement has been reconfigured to allow for greater legroom and a more relaxed posture, making even short rides feel more like a comfortable journey rather than a hurried commute. Under the hood, the 2025 model introduces an array of powertrain options designed to cater to a variety of driving preferences and environmental considerations. Bajaj understands that in today's world, efficiency and sustainability are just as important as raw power. The traditional petrol variant is equipped with a finely tuned engine that delivers a smooth yet responsive performance, striking an impressive balance between power and fuel economy. Drivers will notice that the acceleration, while not overly aggressive, is sufficient to navigate the unpredictable traffic of urban centers and the more variable conditions of rural areas alike. The engine's design incorporates state-of-the-art fuel injection systems and precision timing mechanisms, ensuring that every drop of fuel is used efficiently. In a bid to address growing concerns over pollution and fuel costs, the manufacturer has also introduced a CNG variant that offers even better mileage, an option that not only reduces running costs but also contributes to a cleaner environment. For those who are ready to embrace the future, the electric variant of the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is a game-changer. Equipped with a powerful electric motor and a high-capacity battery pack, this version provides a respectable range on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for drivers looking to minimize their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. When it comes to handling, the 2025 model truly shines. The vehicle has been engineered to be agile and responsive, characteristics that are essential in the often congested environments in which it operates. The steering system has been recalibrated to offer a more precise feel, allowing drivers to maneuver confidently through tight spaces and sudden turns. The suspension system, a critical component for any vehicle designed for urban use, has been upgraded to better absorb shocks from uneven road surfaces. This not only enhances the overall comfort of the ride but also reduces wear and tear on the vehicle's components, contributing to a longer lifespan and lower maintenance costs. The braking system, featuring enhanced drum brakes on both the front and rear, delivers reliable stopping power even in adverse weather conditions. This is particularly important for a vehicle that is often used in high-traffic scenarios, where quick and safe braking is paramount. Bajaj has clearly left no stone unturned in its pursuit of a balanced, high-performance rickshaw that meets the demands of modern driving. Safety has always been a priority for Bajaj, and the 2025 Auto Rickshaw is no exception. In an era where road safety is a paramount concern, every design decision has been made with the well-being of both the driver and the passengers in mind. The inclusion of anti-skid tires is a notable feature, providing superior grip on wet or slippery surfaces and significantly reducing the risk of accidents. The mirrors have been enlarged to offer a broader field of vision, an improvement that aids drivers in making more informed decisions when changing lanes or navigating intersections. At night, the vehicle's high-luminosity headlights and reflective elements ensure that it stands out on the road, alerting other drivers to its presence and reducing the likelihood of collisions. Every aspect of the rickshaw's safety systems has been tested rigorously, ensuring that it meets and exceeds current regulatory standards while providing an extra layer of confidence for those behind the wheel. One of the standout features of the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is its impressive fuel efficiency and low running costs. In a market where operating expenses can be a major concern for both drivers and fleet operators, the ability to travel longer distances on less fuel is a significant advantage. The petrol model, with its finely tuned engine and aerodynamic design, manages to extract every ounce of efficiency, translating into savings that can add up significantly over time. The CNG version, in particular, offers remarkable mileage, making it an attractive option for those who are budget-conscious or environmentally aware. Meanwhile, the electric variant opens up a world of possibilities for sustainable urban transport. Although it represents a departure from traditional powertrains, it does not compromise on performance. The electric motor delivers smooth and consistent acceleration, and the battery system is designed to handle the demands of daily use without frequent recharging. This blend of efficiency and performance positions the 2025 model as a forward-thinking solution for a rapidly evolving transportation landscape. As we take a closer look at the driving experience, it becomes evident that the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is as much about comfort as it is about performance. The ride quality has been carefully calibrated to ensure that every journey is pleasant, whether the vehicle is navigating busy city streets or winding rural roads. The improved suspension system plays a key role in absorbing the impacts of potholes and uneven terrain, resulting in a smoother ride that minimizes driver fatigue and enhances passenger comfort. The ergonomics of the driver's cockpit have also been a focal point in the design process. The seat, thoughtfully contoured to support the back and reduce pressure points, allows drivers to remain comfortable even during long hours on the road. The layout of the controls is intuitive, ensuring that everything from the accelerator to the braking system is easily accessible. In addition, the digital instrument panel provides a clear and concise display of essential information, so the driver can stay informed without being overwhelmed by complex data. This careful attention to detail in the design of the interior reflects Bajaj's understanding that a vehicle is more than just its engine and chassis. It is a space where drivers spend a significant portion of their day, and comfort is paramount. Another aspect that sets the 2025 model apart is its adaptability to various operating conditions. Recognizing that the demands placed on an auto rickshaw can vary dramatically, from navigating crowded urban centers to traversing rugged rural roads, Bajaj has equipped this model with features that enhance its versatility. The engine's performance is tuned to handle both steady highway runs and the stop-and-go nature of city driving with equal aplomb. This flexibility is further supported by a refined transmission system that shifts seamlessly, ensuring that the power is delivered smoothly no matter the speed. Even the suspension system has been optimized to strike a balance between comfort and control, allowing the vehicle to adjust to the changing conditions of the road. For many drivers, this means a more predictable and enjoyable ride, regardless of the environment in which they operate. This adaptability is not just a matter of convenience, it is a critical factor that enhances the overall reliability and longevity of the vehicle, making it a sound investment for both individual owners and commercial fleet operators. The economic impact of the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw cannot be understated. In markets where affordability and reliability are key drivers of consumer choice, this model stands out as an exemplary option. The cost of ownership has been kept in check through a combination of low maintenance requirements, high fuel efficiency, and competitive pricing. Bajaj's extensive service network ensures that spare parts and technical support are readily available, reducing downtime and further enhancing the vehicle's value proposition. This affordability, combined with the robust build quality and advanced features, has cemented the auto rickshaw's position as a preferred choice among a diverse range of users, from individual entrepreneurs and small business owners to large-scale fleet operators who rely on the consistent performance of these vehicles to maintain their operations. One cannot discuss the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw without addressing its role in the broader context of sustainable transportation. As cities around the world grapple with issues of pollution, congestion, and environmental degradation, there is an increasing push towards greener alternatives that do not compromise on efficiency or performance. The introduction of an electric variant in the 2025 lineup is a clear indication of Bajaj's commitment to this cause. By offering a zero-emission option, the company is not only providing drivers with a cost-effective alternative to traditional fuels but also contributing to a reduction in overall carbon emissions. This move has significant implications for urban environments, where air quality is a major concern and the cumulative impact of millions of vehicles can be profound. The electric rickshaw, with its quiet operation and minimal environmental footprint, represents a major step forward in the evolution of public transport, aligning economic benefits with ecological responsibility. The driving experience with the 2025 model is further enhanced by a suite of technological features that add both convenience and security. Modern connectivity options have been seamlessly integrated into the vehicle, allowing drivers to access navigation, diagnostic, and maintenance information with ease. For instance, a built-in diagnostic system constantly monitors the health of critical components, alerting the driver to potential issues before they escalate into major problems. This proactive approach to maintenance not only improves reliability but also ensures that the rickshaw remains in optimal condition throughout its service life. Meanwhile, connectivity features also enable real-time tracking and route optimization, which can be particularly beneficial for commercial operators who need to manage large fleets efficiently. The integration of these technologies is a clear reflection of Bajaj's forward-thinking approach, where traditional values of reliability and robustness are combined with modern innovations to create a vehicle that is truly ahead of its time. Over the years, Bajaj has built a reputation for producing vehicles that are not only dependable but also remarkably innovative in their approach to everyday challenges. The 2025 Auto Rickshaw is a culmination of this legacy, a vehicle that embodies the principles of efficiency, durability, and user-centric design. Every feature, from the improved engine calibration and upgraded suspension to the state-of-the-art digital interface, has been meticulously engineered to meet the demands of modern mobility. This is a vehicle that understands the pulse of the streets, the needs of its drivers, and the expectations of a generation that is increasingly aware of its environmental responsibilities. Its design is not merely about aesthetics, it is a carefully crafted blend of form and function that speaks to the heart of practical innovation. The evolution of the auto rickshaw is a story of resilience and adaptation, and the 2025 model is a shining example of how tradition can be transformed through modern engineering. In markets where the auto rickshaw has long been a symbol of affordable mobility, this new model raises the bar significantly. It challenges preconceived notions about what a three-wheeler can be and sets a new standard for performance, comfort, and sustainability. Every journey in this vehicle is a reminder that progress is not about abandoning the past but about building upon it, integrating timeless design principles with the latest technological advancements. As you experience the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw firsthand, you will notice how every element of the vehicle is designed to work in harmony, creating a driving experience that is both engaging and effortless. In real-world conditions, the benefits of these innovations become even more apparent. Drivers report that the improved ergonomics and advanced suspension system make long hours on the road far less taxing, reducing fatigue and enhancing concentration. The smooth acceleration and responsive braking system provide a sense of security that is invaluable in the unpredictable conditions of urban traffic. Passengers, too, appreciate the enhanced comfort and quiet operation of the vehicle, which transforms what was once a noisy, jarring ride into a surprisingly pleasant journey. This feedback from everyday users underscores the success of Bajaj's efforts to marry advanced technology with the practical demands of daily commuting, resulting in a product that truly meets the needs of its diverse customer base. The story of the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is not just one of engineering excellence but also of a deep commitment to social responsibility and sustainable development. In regions where access to affordable and reliable transportation is critical to economic growth, this vehicle plays a vital role in improving connectivity and supporting livelihoods. Its competitive pricing, combined with low running costs, makes it an accessible option for countless individuals who rely on it for their daily commutes or as a means of earning a living. Moreover, the introduction of cleaner energy alternatives such as the electric and CNG variants highlights a proactive approach to environmental stewardship, an approach that is increasingly important in today's world, where every decision has far-reaching implications for the planet. As we reflect on the evolution of the Bajaj Auto Rickshaw, it becomes clear that the 2025 model is more than just an upgrade, it is a reinvention. It embodies the spirit of innovation that has defined Bajaj's legacy over the decades, taking the humble auto rickshaw from a basic mode of transport to a modern, versatile vehicle capable of meeting the challenges of the 21st century. This reinvention is evident in every aspect of the vehicle, from the refined exterior that exudes a sense of purpose and determination to the meticulously engineered powertrain that delivers efficiency and performance in equal measure. Every journey in the 2025 model is a testament to the idea that progress is achieved not by sacrificing what is tried and true, but by enhancing it with the benefits of modern technology and design philosophy. In practical terms, the experience of driving the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is one of reassurance and empowerment. The refined engine, with its seamless power delivery, provides the driver with the confidence to navigate even the most challenging road conditions. The upgraded braking system ensures that the vehicle can come to a smooth and controlled stop, even when faced with sudden obstacles or unpredictable traffic patterns. The intuitive layout of the cockpit, with its ergonomically placed controls and clear digital readouts, means that the driver can remain focused on the task at hand, safely transporting passengers to their destination without unnecessary distractions. This is a vehicle that has been designed with the understanding that safety and reliability are paramount, qualities that are deeply ingrained in Bajaj's DNA.